In this video, we'll show you how to upload videos to YouTube from your computer. While logged in, go to YouTube Studio. If you're on the channel dashboard, you can click the upload icon in the top right, or you can click the create icon, then upload video. Then choose the video file or multiple files that you'd like to upload. After selecting a file to upload, you can close the upload screen at any point and your video will be saved as a draft on your videos page. From here, you'll be asked to add a title, description, and thumbnail for your video. You can also add it to a playlist, and you'll be asked to set your video's audience. You can find additional settings by clicking More Options. Once you've added these details, click Next. If monetization is enabled on your channel through the YouTube Partner Program, you'll be led to this section next. You can choose to have monetization turned on or off for that specific video. If you choose to have monetization turned on, you can fill out your ad settings. Once you've added these details, click Next. You can add different video elements like end screens and cards. Click Next. Then, under Visibility, you can choose whether you want to publish your video now as public, or set it as unlisted or private. Or you can choose to schedule your video for a future date and time, or to set up your video as a premiere. Then click Publish if you want your video to go public immediately, Done if you're leaving it as unlisted or private, or Schedule if you want to pick another day and time to publish your video or set it as a premiere.